So a question I'm often asked on my main channel is, how do you put overlays on your video? So today I'm going to be teaching how to do that for free using a website called iPicky. So if that's what you're here for, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so as I said, the website we're going to be using is called iPicky. So iPicky.com, I-P-I-C-C-Y. Very easy. Put that into Google. You'll find yourself on this website. You probably need to make an account, but again, it's free. No subscription, no card details, nothing is required for this. Okay, very simple. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do, and this is very, very important, so please make sure you're focusing right now. In fact, if possible, do it with me. We can do it at the same time. Okay. So first thing you do, you click open, you click create, and this is the banana peel, because as you can see right now, the background is white. That's not what we want. We don't want a white background. We want the background to be transparent, okay? Transparent. And as always, I like to make my dimensions 1280 to, I can't even speak, 1280 to 720. That's what you want it to be. Create. It doesn't really matter for this in particular, but you kind of want it to be big so that even when you minimize it, it still does have, you know, the graphics are still quite good on it, you know, if that makes sense. But anyways, the next thing you need to do is go onto Google and find the logos of the social media you want to advertise. Whether that be Snapchat, find a Snapchat logo, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, whatever it is. It could be all of them. And I can show you how to do it for all of them if you want, okay? But for today, my one is going to be Instagram and Twitter, because that's what I'm advertising at the moment. So you go onto Google, you type in Instagram logo transparent or Twitter logo transparent, whatever logo you want, and then you click here and then you upload the image. I've already done that, and here they are. So you've got Twitter and you've got Instagram. Okay, now because the Instagram is a bit more prominent, I'm gonna make the Twitter bird be in front of it like that. Okay, so now you can see Twitter and Instagram. Now of course, if you've got a different name for your Twitter and Instagram, then you might need to do this and then write your Instagram name here and then your Twitter name here. Yeah, but because mine are the same, and I do recommend you make them the same, just so it's easy to find you, again, cross-platform, I'm gonna do it like that, so you can see it's my Instagram and my Twitter. Yeah, the next thing I'm going to do, let me make that a bit smaller actually. Yeah, make that a bit smaller. Great, just like that. So as you can see, it's my Instagram is there, my Twitter is there. I don't know which way I want to do it. Maybe I'll do it like this. See, like, you have creative control, so you can kind of do it how you want, but I think I'll do it like this. Yeah, so you can see the the Instagram logo is there, the Twitter bird is there, okay? And now you put your actual name. So mine on social media is at AStar for Bants. Those are my Instagram and Twitter handles. Follow me if you like. There you go, like that, right? Now, the next part is the font. So what font do you want? How do you want it to look? And I'd recommend you kind of get creative with it, but don't go over the top, because you need it to be readable. So something like this just wouldn't make sense, right? It wouldn't, you know, even that, you know, but like something that's kind of easy to read, looks good. Yeah, so let's go for this lobster one. That looks nice. What do you guys think? I think that looks pretty cool. Yeah, we'll make it fit. If you lot saw that, would you be able to read that? Maybe that is a bit difficult to read. I don't know. What about this one? Yeah, that's nice. Go for that one. Cool, we'll go How about we just go for this one, right? And there we go. Now I would highly recommend that you think about where you're filming. If you're filming in a background where you're gonna put it over here maybe, but you can see, as you can see on my screen, it's black in that area because of my background, I would make it white or something that will pop out. You need it to contrast with the background. But to avoid all of that, you could do this next trick that I can do from time to time. You can add a square, make it the same, and this is just optional, you don't have to do this. Maybe I'm being a bit fancy here, but you can kind of go over the writing a bit, send it to the back, right? But you can see it's still there. Yeah, kind of place it nicely, and then put this on top. Okay, you can do that. But first, let's concentrate on the font, because I'm not finished with that just yet. I told you I want mine to be white, so it contrasts. Of course, you probably can't see it right now, but don't worry. We've got options. So if you can see here, it says stroke. Yeah. Just to give it that. There we go. Now you can, I bet you can see it now. There you go. Yeah. You can change the color of that as well if you want. I'm gonna keep that to. I'll keep that black. Yeah. And then what I also like to do is add a drop shadow. You see that? It kind of makes it a bit 3D. Can you see that difference? You see that? Yeah? I know you see it. Yeah, I know you see it. Change the angle of it a bit. You know, you can kind of change the distance of it if you want. You can kind of go crazy, but this is how I'm gonna do it, you know? That's how I'm gonna do it. There we go. That looks good to me. And now this box. Although I want that, I'll probably make that, I don't know, something that will stand out a bit. Maybe like a bit of a blue. Yeah, we'll go for a bit of a baby blue. Yeah, but we'll fade it a bit because I don't want it to be too prominent. It's just in case you have a background that just so it kind of, you'll see it more in the video. But for now, you see it's not too prominent, and you just throw it on top. Okay, make sure it fits nicely on top, just like that in the middle. Yeah. There we go. And then we save that, we apply. And again, you can do, if it depends on how you can do yours, you can list yours like this and do your Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, Tumblr, whatever you have. Yeah, you can list it, and then you can put your different names. You can have it somewhere on your screen, okay? But I recommend you make it the same name, and then you can put all the logos and then one name. It's up to you though, you have creative control, remember that. Yeah, but anyways, you save my computer. I'll call it something that I remember, so socials overlay. There we go. I did go to school, I did. Okay. Desktop, save. Guys, listen, I know you're probably thinking, okay, great, I know how to do it, I can go now. No, it's not over yet. Please, concentrate. Stay with me, yeah? If you need to pause it and get a cup of coffee, feel free. But I need you to come back. Because now, I'm gonna show you how to put the overlay on. This part, this is probably, the other parts are simple. You can kind of make something and you can, this part is probably the trickiest part. So what you do, and I'm gonna use a video that I've already posted, like it's old video. It's not old video. It's on my. Check it out. It's on AStar for bands. Okay, just posted it yesterday or something. But yeah, you upload. So as you can see, I put the video here in my workstation. You upload the overlay you just created. Ignore this. This is not relevant to this video. Okay. I know some of you like to analyze. Go to desktop. Find it, yeah, there it is, socials overlay. Import selected. And here it is. And if you want, I will be making a how to edit and different features on iMovie. I will be making that as well, yeah? I'll make a few videos on that because I know it's tricky. So if you got iMovie, if you got a MacBook, don't worry, I can show you how to do everything I'm doing or have done on iMovie. But anyways, you then drag it and you put it on top of the picture, of the video. You put it on top of your video, right? And you put, it depends. You can kind of have it at the beginning, you can have it at the end. It's your choice really. But let's say you want it to be on the whole video because you want 100% chance of people actually listening and following you on your social medias, on your socials. So you put it on everything, right? But you don't really want it to look like that. So the first thing you do, you go to crop and you go to fit, just so that it doesn't kind of, okay. Ooh.
A few moments later.
Just so that it doesn't kind of starts making a video smaller, okay? But you fit it, there you go, good. And then you put picture in picture, and there it is. And you put that anywhere on your screen, just like that. Yep, and look how that looks. There it is, yeah? There for everyone to see, okay? And that's how you do it, guys, just like that. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. But that is it. That is how to make an overlay for your videos, a socials overlay for your videos on YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and it helped, please leave a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe. I'll catch you next video. Until next time.